Well, hi, Advanced Algebra 2. I am just going to make a quick video to help you out on your Concept 33 Math Excel practice. Because thanks to a student in my 4th hour who asked about finding an angle when you know a trig function, I realized in the Concept 33 notes that I did not exactly show you how to do that calculator work. So I've got Concept 33C up, number 7. So here's a great example of one of these problems. So this says use a calculator to find the value of the acute angle theta. This is the Greek letter theta to the nearest degree. So this says the tangent of some angle theta equals that value. So you're going to do this on your calculator. The first thing is to make sure that you are in degree mode. So I have the 84 calculator up. You're going to click mode and then make sure in the 4th line down that degree is darkened. If not, arrow down to degree and press enter. Then you can quit out of that screen. And now to find an angle, when you know the trig function, in this case tangent, you're going to use the inverse. So you're going to do second and then tangent, and you will see tangent to the -1. Then you're going to enter what that trig function is. It's a good habit to close your parentheses. And then that will give you the angle. So to the nearest degree, it's an 83-degree angle that has a tangent of this value. So that's how you do that on your calculator. So let me look at another one of these. So this problem, yours would be similar. Numbers will be a little different. A tower that has 105 feet tall is 105 feet tall, cast a shadow 131 feet long. We're finding the angle of elevation of the sun. So you have to see what trig function to use. In this case, 105 from theta is the side that is opposite. 131 is adjacent. So again, that would be tangent again. So on your calculator, you're going to do inverse tangent, and then you're actually going to put what the tangent is. So 105 over 131. And so that angle is going to be to the nearest degree 39 degrees in this example. I'd like to just do a couple more. So this one, in this right triangle situation, we're trying to find the angle theta. We know this height, which is the adjacent side in this triangle because it's touching theta, but it's not the hypotenuse. And we know the hypotenuse. So the trig function that is adjacent and hypotenuse is cosine. So on your calculator, you can do the inverse cosine, and then you put in that what the cosine is, so 60 over 85. Press enter, and that will be your angle. To the nearest degree, it's 45 in this example. Now in these problems, if you know 2 angles and need to find the third, you can just subtract from 180 degrees and then set up a trig function, sine, cosine, or tangent, to find the sides. On these, where you only know one angle, you'll have to use the inverse function. So let's look at side A. B and C to side A are adjacent and a hypotenuse. So adjacent and hypotenuse, that's the cosine. So we can say the inverse cosine, and this is for angle A, is the adjacent side, which is 200, over or divided by the hypotenuse, which is 500. And that will give the cosine. All right, this concludes my short helpful hint video. So hopefully if you hadn't figured that out, you understand how to do that now. I hope you have an awesome day.
Oh, what? Oh, that's just going to town.